Okay, I'm hoping that the camera picks up all this. There's like these ducks in there. Now that I got better footage. Because I barely get to see ducks. But they're over here. I'm hoping the camera picks those up. And here he is, marking his territory. But there's looks like a whole duck family here. It's very cute and peaceful and serene. We are in another part of the forest now. It's very nice. Chong's enjoying it. It's a popular little path. Has the trees over here. He enjoys the park. It's his favorite thing to go. He gets excited about my days off because he gets to come out by the park areas. So I have more energy. We're going up this way. They kind of mowed the grass over here so you can walk, which is nice. It gives you that feeling like you're in the deep woods, but you're really not in the deep woods. You got all these trees here. You get to be at one with nature. Sometimes being at one with nature makes you feel good. Here's a dog in the distance. Okay, I got video footage from the other side of the lake. It looks like a star coming out with these trees. It's like the coolest thing ever. I thought the other side was good, but this side's even better. It's very exciting. We're by the duck pond. So there's like 3 or 4 ducks here. Very cute area. They're having a peaceful day. It's been very exciting today. We got ducks, we got a baby deer, a mama deer. It can't get any more exciting than this. And then here's Chong. He's just waiting patiently. He don't care about the ducks, but he sure cared about that deer. And when I see something else interesting, I'll vlog more. We are now at the lake that I like to call Lake Peace. This lake makes me center my soul and my mind. The ducks probably are somewhere else. I don't know. Here's Chong. Sometimes he's never at peace. He just wants to keep going. And he does not like the motorcycles. I don't know why. Him and the motorcycles don't get along. I think it's because they're so loud. So I try to take him places that the motorcycles aren't. See, here now he is looking at the lake a little bit. He likes to look at the lake too. That trail down there, I don't always like to go down because I'm afraid I'm gonna fall and slip. And that would be not a good thing. I'd probably have to start screaming and then somebody that walked nearby would eventually find me. But I figured this could give everybody peace. If they didn't have peace for the day, they can look at the lake and feel at peace. Alright, I think we're good. We are now, me and Chong, visiting this beautiful lake. Well, pond or extension lake. I don't know what it is. But it's very nice. And he's having a good time today. And I thought you guys might want to see this. Because sometimes we forget in nature how good things could be. Especially when we're on our way home and stuff and forget about these things.